Hello, everyone. Just wanted to come on here to say thank you to everybody who bought tickets already for Reset. Thank you very, very much. I'm very excited about this concert kasi I am going to be singing my songs. And, we're planning to do a lot of my songs talaga. Especially yung mga hindi na-release as a single. I'm excited about that. And when you know, you know. Kasi, syempre, I will be singing yung mga expected na mga songs. Pero gusto ko rin kumanta ng mga hindi nyo masyadong ine-expect. Pero kilala nyo. When you know, you know. When you have my albums, ganyan. And I'm also excited kasi may mga anecdotes, may yung mga kung ano yung experience ko while recording certain songs. And also gusto kong kasi 'di ba ngayon puro streaming na, hindi na natin alam yung mga information about particular whatever song. So, gusto kong magkwento lang kung ano yung mga process ko pagka nagpo-produce ako ng album ko. Because I'm actually so into it. I love producing my albums. I love the whole process. And I want to talk about that in the concert. And yes, I will be singing a lot of songs from all my albums, R2K, Retro, yung mga, kahit, especially yung unang-una, yung Regine na album. I think I'm also planning to sing, kasi di ba ang dami kong nag-collab. Hindi ako sure if I'm able to mag-guest ko yung mga eksaktong singers ng mga collab ko, but I can also sing them na as a solo song. I can perform them also as a solo songs. Pwede naman yun. Yes, pati yung Listen Without Prejudice. Ang daming maganda actually dun sa Listen Without Prejudice. So, yeah, I'm going to do that also. So, tickets are already out. I hope that you can join me. Valentine's Day ito. Araw ng mga puso. Sana you can celebrate with me Valentine's Day. And I promise it will be a wonderful experience for all of us. Kasi gusto ko rin mag-enjoy habang ini-entertain kayo. I have 4 nights. And it will be at the Samsung Theater. I love that theater very, very much kasi ang ganda, maganda yung sound, very intimate. And I love doing intimate shows kasi nakikita ko yung mga mukha ninyo, nakakausap ko kayo, naririnig ko kayo. So, yeah. I hope to see you guys. Sorry, yung buhok ko medyo paliyon na. Ayan. Also, I just started this, I don't know if you call it a series or whatever. I started to do this video thing sa TikTok. I just talk about, my life experiences, yung pagiging nanay ko. I'm gonna talk about singing also. I'll talk about menopause. So if any of you are interested, you can go to TikTok. I am hoping and I'm praying na mapanindigan ko ito. I'll try to post every day. Wala lang, just to make kwento kasi marami akong mga naging learnings and hopefully it'll inspire you guys or hopefully you'll learn something from me. Also, tsaka para dumami yung followers ko sa TikTok. Ayun. So, yeah, I'll see you guys At the concert, February, Valentine's Day, and also post-Valentine's. So, yeah, I'll see you guys at the Samsung Theater for Reset. Bye! Hala, hindi ko alam paano mag